Welcome to my YouTube channel. This video I'm going to show you how to change add to cart button text in Shopify. So without further ado, let's jump right into this video. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials. And now what you have to do first is to click on online store, and then you click on the three dots there. And here what you have to do is to click delete default there, and now here you write add to cart, and here you can write, and you can change that to anything you want. Now what you have to do is to make sure you save this. We can actually publish this. It's good to duplicate our theme. Maybe we actually change some settings inside the code, change some code for that.